Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Oh my gosh, family, do you see this new method? Look how I am sewing these crochets on. If you are looking for a method that will reduce the tension, the pulling, the stress on your edges, well, you have found it. Look at this new technique that I've discovered and I'm doing with my clients who have thin hair, short hair, or damaged hair around their edges and around their sides. Yes, ladies, I attached a net to the edges by sewing it down, making it secure, and now I am sewing these crochets on. Look how beautiful this is coming out. The crochets are going to be actually very versatile, meaning they are going to be able to be shifted front, back, and to both sides. That's what's going to make them versatile and make them be able to go either which direction you want them to. Look how this is. This is the net that I sewed down. And then I am sewing the crochets to the net, ladies. Yes, directly on the net. None of the crochets are going to be crocheted to her hair. This is absolutely a game changer, and this is a new technique that you can do yourself, or you can share it with your stylist and make sure that your stylist is doing this. Again, the crochets are being sewn on the net only, not to her hair. This reduces any tension, pulling, and any stress on her edges. So again, ladies, you've seen it here first on West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Continue to keep watching and see how this wonderful, amazing method comes out. Keep watching to the end. I upload new videos every single week, so please smash that subscribe button and tap that bell so you do not miss any of my videos. Yes, today my client, as you can see, she has some very thin hair, but look at the end results. Look at these beautiful coiled sequins twist. Yes, they are crochets. They are 10 inches in length, and what the color is 1B30. So yes, this is my client's hair situation. Her hair is thin and it has been breaking, and she's come to me today to get a beautiful style. Yes, I am going to start off with giving her a healthy braid pattern. Yes, as my clients come in, I make sure that I assess their hair for the best and the healthiest braid pattern, and sometimes twist pattern that is the most healthiest for their hair. So yes, I do have a twist pattern that I've developed and I created for my clients, and I do this twist pattern underneath if they have very fine thin hair, and to keep from pulling and putting any tension and stress on those areas where they either have hair loss or where their hair is very thin or damaged. So as you can see here, I'm doing the very best braid pattern for this style as well as for her hair. Yes, I am making sure that the braids are not too tight, because that's what I do not want to do, is pull on her hair and put any tension and again any stress that will create any hair loss. My goal is always to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So again, here I am doing the braid pattern, and I'm doing what I consider the most healthiest for her hair. I'm braiding these braids down, and I'm going to connect them all in the back so that when I am doing this style, there's nothing bulky at the top. Everything is nice and smooth, and all the twists will lay flat. That's what we want. We want everything to look as natural as possible, and the best way to make sure it's as natural looking as possible is to not have any humps and any bumps. Yes, we want it to be nice and flat. So here I am just making sure that I crochet the end of that braid through the other braids to make sure that that end braid does not come loose. Again, here is a close-up of the braid pattern that I chose for her hair, and we are going to be sure that we add what some weaving net. Yes, her hair is very thin on the sides, and I want to make sure that I'm not crocheting on her thin edges, and I do not want to create any hair loss or any hair damage. So yes, I am adding some regular weaving net to just the edges. This is where her hair is most fragile. So I'm going to add this weave net to both sides. And this is what I'm going to use to crochet. When I crochet on these edges, I will not crochet on the braids at all. I'm only going to crochet on this net. And when I sew it down, it's securing the net so that it does not move, it does not shift, and it does not slide. And again, this is going to give her coverage on the sides where her hair is very thin. You will not be able to tell that she has any thin, any damaged edges. Everything is going to be nice and full. So again, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and this is to protect her edges and to give her the fullness that she wants, so that it's not thin, it's not sparsy, and you will not be gaps in between crochet twists. If you have not tried this method, please try it. I guarantee you are going to love it. Yes, I love this method. As you can see, I trimmed off all the excess net, and here they are, the coil ends Senegal twists. Yes, they are 10 inches long. Again, the color is T1B30, and yes, they are pre-looped. I love this hair. I love using the pre-looped hair because it always keeps the same formation, the same style that you see on the package is the style that you are going to get in your hair once you start installing. So I love the pre-looped. I love this color too. It is so beautiful, and it's going to blend in well with her hair and with her skin complexion. As you can see, the pack did have 3 sections, so each pack has 3 sections of twists. And yes, here I am, the fun part, and that is crocheting. I'm going to start here in the back, and I'm going to work my way to the sides and then to the middle, and I'm going to finish off in the front, making sure that every area is full, that you don't see any spaces. Even though in between her braids you see spaces, she will be able to pull her hair back or pull her hair up into a very small ponytail. It won't be too long because these crochets are only 10 inches. They are very short. This is the shortest that it comes in this particular style. They do have some that are 8 inches long, but they didn't have it in the Senegal twist. So again, this hair is very, very durable. It is long lasting. It doesn't shed. It doesn't lose its shape or its style when you are installing. And I love this hair. Yes. So I've used 2 of the 3 sections, and this is the 3rd. So this is going to be one complete pack that I'll be using. Again, this is the 3rd section of the 1st pack. So please continue to watch as I install these beautiful crochets. Watch how I install on the side, on the edges where I installed that net. And again, if you have thin hair, if you have damaged hair on your edges, if your edges are bald, this is the perfect method for you to cover up those edges, cover up those sides, and give you the fullness that you want and that you need so that you can wear beautiful styles too. Please, ladies, if you do have hair loss, don't give up. Don't feel shame. There are beautiful hairstyles that you can still wear, and this is definitely one of them. So again, if you have not tried this net on the side, on the edges, please try it. Ask your hairstylist to check out the video if they're not familiar with adding a net to the edges so that you can have that fullness. Again, continue to watch. Please watch to the end. And again, please subscribe, hit that bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos, because again, I upload new videos every single week. Oh my gosh, this style is coming out so pretty, just so gorgeous already. Look at that fullness. It's going to be so full on the sides. She'll be able to go out, be healthy, be confident. Her hair's healthy, and she'll have the confidence that she needs as she steps out of this door from West Coast Finest Tees, Braids, and Weaves.
Cheese, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas.